Okay, so today I'm going to bring you on a journey with me. I do paper crafts, if you don't know, and I do it for sale, so you can always DM me for yours at an affordable price. So anyway, I have my paper crafts here in this bag, and I'm going to install them on the wall. So I just want you to come on the journey with me. And yeah, the papers here, I use blue and red colors majorly. You're going to see it when we are doing the installation and all. And then I wanted to give a shout out to the person that gave me this stuff. One of my enactors brother, Caleb. Yes, Caleb gave me this stuff. So let's go, follow me. So these are the paper works. I use sugar paper to make them, and they are called single piece fan paper crafts wall, and it's like a marble wall. It's like a wall that was made using tiny pebbles. It's a fine wall, I must confess, and it is one of the easiest walls I have ever worked with. Like, it was good. I'm going to be using to install the paper crafts to the wall. They are basically old newspapers, so what I do is I form them into a circle and I use glue to hold the ends together. So you're going to see how I'm going to fix it to the paper craft and use it to like get glued to the wall. Okay, so I'll be using shoemaker's gum and an old toothbrush. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to put part of the gum on the side on the newspaper rings that I showed you earlier, and I'm just going to do that around the back of the paper craft, and then I'm now going to put the gum again on the part of the newspaper ring that is facing up. So that is that part that is going to be used to attach the paper craft to the wall. So one side of the newspaper ring is going to have glue on it, and that glue is going to be attached to the back of the paper craft, while the other side is going to have glue on it, and that glue is going to be, and that part is going to be used to attach the wall to like the yes, to use it to attach to the wall. Sorry for the mistake. So that's how it's going to be for all the paper crafts like that, and that's how I'm going to get it stuck to the wall. Yes, I'm just going to get it fixed to the wall, and I'm just going to like press it underneath so that it gets stuck and fixed to the wall, because that is what we want. We don't want any paperwork falling down or not getting stuck to the wall or not be strong to the wall. We want it stuck to the wall. So that is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to put some pressing and exert a little bit of energy to just get it stuck to the wall. Now this wall is actually beautiful and easy to work with. I've worked with a wall that was quite tough, and it was like I was using all my energy to like get it fixed to the wall, but this wall is cool. Like, you don't need a lot of work to get it fixed to the wall. So that's what we are going to do for all the other pieces. that's it, my people. Easy peasy. So thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and do share, and don't forget to connect with me through my social media handles. Until next time, bye bye.